Top 5 Smartwatch Under $500 2024. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition 47mm Exclusive Bluetooth Smartwatch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Bespoke Edition 47mm is a premium smartwatch designed for users who seek both style and substance. This model comes with an exclusive Bluetooth connectivity option, tailored for those who appreciate personalized gadgets. It stands out with its health, fitness, sleep, and heart rate tracking capabilities, making it a versatile companion for everyday wear and rigorous workout sessions alike. The watch features an improved battery life, ensuring that users can enjoy its functionalities for extended periods without frequent charging. This is particularly beneficial for active individuals or those with busy lifestyles, ensuring that the watch keeps up with their pace. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition Rugged GPS Smartwatch. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition is a highly specialized version of Garmin's rugged GPS smartwatch lineup, designed specifically with tactical operations and outdoor enthusiasts in mind. This model stands out not just for its robust build and essential smartwatch functionalities, but also for features tailored towards tactical and outdoor use. Here's a detailed overview of its key features. Rugged design. True to its lineage, the Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition boasts a rugged design that's built to withstand the toughest conditions. It adheres to the U.S. military standard 810G for thermal, shock, and water resistance, rated to 100 meters. The Coyote Tan color scheme also aligns with military and outdoor aesthetics, offering both functionality and style. Enhancing its utility for tactical and outdoor scenarios, the Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition includes a built-in flashlight. This feature provides immediate illumination in dark environments, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. Number 3. Garmin Instinct Crossover Solar Rugged Hybrid Smartwatch. The Garmin Instinct Crossover Solar in Tidal Blue is a distinctive hybrid smartwatch that combines traditional analog style with modern digital functionalities, designed for those who desire the best of both worlds. This rugged and durable timepiece is engineered to withstand the toughest environments, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventurers, athletes, and fitness enthusiasts. Here's a detailed look at its key features and benefits. Solar power. One of the standout features of the Instinct Crossover Solar is its solar charging capabilities. Equipped with Garmin's Power Glass, the watch harnesses the power of the sun to extend battery life, ensuring that you stay connected and on track for longer periods without the need for frequent recharging. Hybrid design. Analog hands and digital display. The hybrid design incorporates classic analog hands to indicate the time, seamlessly integrated with a high-contrast digital display. This combination offers a timeless look while providing access to smart features and digital information at a glance. Tidal Blue color. The watch comes in a striking tidal blue color, offering a stylish yet functional accessory that complements both outdoor gear and casual wear. Number 2. Garmin Fenix 6 Premium Multi-Sport GPS Watch. The Garmin Fenix 6 is a high-end, premium multi-sport GPS watch designed for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best in terms of tracking, durability, and features. This watch is part of Garmin's Fenix series, well known for combining rugged, outdoor-ready design with advanced fitness tracking capabilities. The Fenix 6 series, in particular, brings several new and improved features over its predecessors. Here are the key features and benefits of the Garmin Fenix 6, silver with black band. Rugged, durable construction. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, it features a robust design with a stainless steel bezel and a reinforced case. The silver with black band version offers a sleek and stylish look that's suitable for both outdoor adventures and everyday wear. Display. It comes with a sunlight-readable display that ensures your data is visible even in direct sunlight, enhancing its usability outdoors. Health and fitness tracking. Heat and altitude adjusted VO2 max. This feature adjusts your VO2 max estimate based on the current temperature and altitude, providing more accurate fitness tracking for those who train in varying environments. The watch includes a pulse ox sensor that gauges your blood oxygen saturation levels, useful for altitude acclimatization and sleep monitoring. Number 1. Garmin Venu 2, GPS smartwatch with advanced health monitoring and fitness features. The Garmin Venu 2 is a GPS smartwatch designed to cater to individuals seeking advanced health monitoring and fitness features. This model, with its slate bezel, black case, and silicone band, combines style with functionality, making it suitable for everyday wear as well as fitness activities. The watch face size is 27.9 millimeters, which is a comfortable size for a wide range of wrist sizes, providing a clear and accessible display for all its features. Advanced health monitoring. It offers a comprehensive suite of health tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and a body battery energy monitor. These tools provide users with insights into their overall health and wellness, helping them make informed decisions about their fitness and lifestyle. GPS and fitness features. The watch comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing users to track their outdoor activities accurately without needing to carry their phone. It supports multiple sports modes, such as running, cycling, swimming, golf, and more, making it versatile for various types of athletes and fitness enthusiasts. High-resolution display. The Garmin Venu 2 boasts a bright AMOLED display that makes it easy to read your stats, notifications, and messages, even in bright sunlight. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, allowing for seamless navigation through the watch's menus and features.